Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited, I'm doing it again, another race. I did a race with the new Maker 3 versus the original Champagne Cricut Maker, and now I'm going to race the Explore Air 3, the Cricut Explore 3 with the Cricut Explore Air 2. Now, the new Explore and Maker 3 machines can cut up to 2 times faster than the originals in fast mode. So we're going to see that happen, and the reason that the Explore Air 3 and the Explore 3 and the Maker 3 can do it is because we can use matless materials. So I'm going to show you exactly how that works. We'll load the machines up and then I'll swap some cameras around and I'll give you a view while they're racing. So this machine's ready to go. I'm just going to jump into Design Space. And here we have my gamer sticker again for my son. I'm going to make sure that I've got my Explore 3 selected from my machines on the top right. I'm going to click Make It. And again, because we now have the option of smart materials without mats, it's going to give me the choice to cut on or off a mat, or again, you can actually do it even in multiple ways. So without a mat, pretty self-explanatory. We're going to click Done. Because we've selected we're not going to cut with a mat, it's only going to show us materials that can be cut without a mat, so those smart materials. So that's really good. We can't make any mistakes. And I'm going to choose the Smart Vinyl Permanent, and it's telling me to load the machine and press Go. So I'm just going to go to the main camera. I'm going to show you how this loads. All right, this is the first time cutting with this machine. I'm going to feed my smart material through the guides here against the wheels, and then I'm going to press the load button. The first thing it's going to do is going to check, just like with the Joy, they've got enough material to cut my design. If I haven't, then it's going to tell me, and that's really cool because we don't want the machine trying to cut down on itself. So it's just a nice little safety measure. So now I'm going to flip these cameras around and we'll get these guys racing. Are you ready? All right, let's go. All right, so we are ready to press the Cricut C on the Explore Air 2 and the play button on the Explore 3. So I'm just going to hold these buttons lightly. On your marks, get set, and go. And there you have it. I think the Cricut Explore 3 was a clear winner there. Super, super fast. Now we just unload, and I will weed these and I'll share these on my socials as well. Absolutely magnificent effort from this machine. Again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Look out for the next video because I'm going to start talking about the different types of smart materials that will be available to us here in Australia. And also, we're going to look at a really, really long cut. And I've just got to decide which machine, the Explore 3 or the Maker 3. All right. Again, any questions or comments, pop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.